Today is the last day of college. I'll show you how it is. Smile, da. Shanu, carry off, Shanu.
Be careful.
I mean, if it has rabies, then what?
That is Sirisha, ma'am. There she comes. So we're taking the
Madam,
picture
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
finally. We're taking
ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದನೇ
our
ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಈ
picture
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ
Final last photo with everybody.
with everybody. Ma'am, this is us and we're touching. Come.
Yes.
Now and then meet us. Okay?
Yes, okay. Sure, ma'am.
Don't forget Amrita. Tilak will not come, I know. I know Tilak will not come. He's the one who is
Did you
first day of the Yes,
Ma'am, you remember?
Sir,
The guide
Talk.
trusts you.
say hi, bye.
Hi. So let us say the guide trusts you. And
all the best for future?
For future, only future.
Okay, for
Huh?
present, past, everything.
Not present, not past, not anything. Huh? Last day of college.
Yes, the last
उसके बाद एक दूसरे से दिखना नहीं. Oh. Hello. First year faculties. What crazy memories we had during these times. The memories are really good.
what to write for? You come tomorrow. You are anyways here, no?
ഇവിടെ ഒരു കുഞ്ഞി പെണ്ണിരുന്ന് എഴുതുവാണ് ഗൈസ്.
ആർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഈ വിളിക്ക്
കിച്ചുവിന് വേണ്ടിട്ട് അവളൊരു സമാധാനായ സ്പോട്ട് അവള് ചൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുക. എതുക്കോ
പക്ഷേ
എതുക്കോ
എന്നിട്ടും ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്
അവിടെ റെഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. നീ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഗിബ്രിഷ് ആയിരിക്കും ഏതണ്ടേ.
Exactly, that's the thing. She won't get to know now. Later, if she's reading with someone and we reveal some stuffs.
കള്ള stuff song.
Kichu?
Ma'am is telling her speech, guys.
Oh, ma'am is telling a speech. No, we are like if we by mistake reveal some really good memories in this.
No, it's okay.
Shit, it was her idea. Look at her smile. Look at her smile. So, batch of 2020 to 2026 EAC girls. Pretty girls. Cheese.
If you identify yourself as a boy, please go there.
A heart missing. And this guy standing behind.
Wait,
Krishna, if you draw something.
Shanu. That's it. I'm just writing Shanu.
Guys, 3 in 1. We have some crazy notes and more crazy notes. मैं आर्या पेन्ने, किच्छु पेन्ने, स्मृति पेन्ने, सुप्रिया पेन्ने. One second. My pen is stolen over here.
ശാന്തി ഒന്ന് ഇളകാതിരിക്കണ്ടി.
Shanu.
That's what I'm getting. Oh, nice place to write.
Yeah. I'm getting shy. I don't know why.
Kichu, this is Hindi here. Huh?
Yeah, this is my mehendi. അരെ എന്താ നിങ്ങൾ റോബോട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കാണോ എന്ന് വെച്ച്.
Robot.
Guys, look, someone's writing for me. I don't know what he's writing, but I hope it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
It is obviously a good thing. I didn't write for you. No. Shit. Okay, I'll write for you.
Wait.
Vagisha is writing for
कितनी
his
अच्छी handwriting है. Look at my handwriting. It looks like I have to have spaces.
So where did I write for Meenuti?
अबे मुस्कुरा ले.
It was getting written by Vagisha, guys. Here. I don't have for you. I'll write something. Naughty? Love you, babes.
Nandan wrote on my heart.
Oh, ouch.
Nandu, my love.
I wrote for Meenakshi like that. Okay, whoa. And there's a Pavam dog sitting over there. So
Handwriting is still bad, okay? No?
it's okay, da. No problem.
कहाँ पे आपका? Even I'll read that.
Chat is occupied.
Find space to write. The two people already claimed it on that too on my shirt.
Like, you understood.
What would I
Bro,
expect from you?
this thing went inside.
Put it, turn it front page. Yeah. Mechanism we have. No, neon I need. What? Okay. Neon best. I don't know where my neon is, but Anu is here.
If you write something which I regret my rest of my life,
You will regret it. ഇവിടെ എല്ലാവരും ഇത് ചെയ്യുമ്പോ എന്റെ പാവ ആരെ കുറ്റി മാത്രം എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഡെഡിക്കേറ്റ് ആയി എഴുതുവാ മൈ ക്യൂട്ടി
Oh, this.
I'm recording. You don't want? Yeah, I'm just making an unlisted video, so just say hi.
Hello.
Mom, look at this.
Should I write
I have it.
something?
Yeah, sure. I mean, with this, I hope this works. Oh, you can just come there for a sec. Then you'll have to write for everyone, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you can write it over here, maybe. Something. Hi. Chakkara.
All the best.
Ulla penneya, ma'am.
Oola pennu
Ulla penne.
All the best.
Thank you.
Teachers. Last day.
कहाँ लिखूँ मैं?
कहाँ पे भी
Okay, you can. Okay, maybe in here.
पीछे भी लिख सकते हैं.
Peach is filled, guys. Oh, I
I
mean,
think you can write it on the sleeve also.
yeah, anything. I don't care.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna keep this overcoat as a memory. So
Yeah.
that's Srinidhi ma'am writing, guys. Just have a look.
Yeah.
By one, they're gonna come now. One by one, they're gonna come. Is what I feel.
Oh my gosh, we have to.
Ma'am, I think you'll have to run.
I'm not good at telling
Okay.
anything in front of camera. Anyway, I'm telling.
Yeah, okay.
You people were one of the best batches that I have ever taught.
Thank you, thank you.
Bestest presentation that I have ever got.
Thank you.
Agreement that she was given EAC. I was like no.
No. But then you came to us and then you realized.
No. I wasn't.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am used to. Okay. Got it.
So nice memory.
You were taken away from by some evil force.
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Haven't you enjoyed my classes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
You should say
Yes, of course. Okay. So we are running a little late. We are actually a little late for the gift exchange.
Yeah, what's the
Let's
time?
do it now. Did Krishna go? We're gonna go get the gift exchange now.
We can do it.
Where is on Krishna?
Just waiting for that.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಳ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾ ಅನಗ
We'll do it later.
എൻ്റെ ഷാനു പിന്നെ എൻ്റെ ആര്യ പെണ്ണു
In the Shanu.
എൻ്റെ
Shanu.
യന്ത
We are in Ebro. One of the last time I guess I called you.
Yes. Why are you so sad? You wrote right? No. You didn't? Oh shit. Okay, please.
Now you have to include me in your vlog because I'm going to fill your memory up.
Wait. I think come here. I think it is a start.
No, not like this. Not like this. See,
Shana, just help him out, no?
see like this. Okay. You press this 3 times. Okay. Yeah. You press this 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It goes to you.
I'm gonna fail you.
It goes to you. I'll just record. One second. I'll just record.
That's Krishna.
Genge.
Are you done?
Anaga, why you're shy?
Because it's
Kichu? She's shy because of you. Oh my god. That was too much. That was way too much. What? Cow?
No.
Cow.
Have a Vishal.
Vishal, you're
Write your name also.
Okay, bye.
obviously by Krishnendu.
K-I-C. If I stand for Krishnendu, no, it will take ages.
It will go from here to here.
Done. On our way to ride for one special event. Me and Shanu are walking,
Yeah, going
and over there we can see the other girls sitting. I don't know if you can see there, but they are sitting there. What? Oh my god! Yeah, sure.
Oh my god, you both scared the
Okay,
shit out of me.
okay, da.
I'm like, you both scared. They were.
Hello, Kutti. So yes.
Guys, who's gonna go first?
Sit.
Giving the gifts. We'll all put up together, no?
Come.
Yeah.
Okay, like anything is fine. Come.
That was.
Bro, that's real effort, bro.
That was better.
That's
Look
real
at us, we both
effort.
blinked.
Yeah, third. I'm also blinking only.
This is for Krishna. I do a caricature for all of you.
Oh.
so good.
Okay, let's do one by one then.
Am I allowed to read this loud or?
And I don't personal. This is Kichu.
Thank you. That looks just like me. No, it actually.
Arya. I don't know if it looks like
Yeah, very perfectly.
It does look like Arya.
Thank you. And this is Ishan.
Ishan.
And Anaga, I'm so sorry. Don't ignore this. This is Anaga. Here.
Okay, yeah, that also looks like
Ignore the
Arya.
what happened to the bag. She wrote
We will read it later in first.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Whoa.
Whoa. Bro, so good.
That's something I did not think of.
Are these
This is
swords?
You should think of it now.
Exactly.
Who do
You know what? Yeah.
Oh, Anaga, you got this.
That's my idea, by the way. The magnet?
she
Of
just said
course. This should be your idea.
Fancy, I swear to God.
Whom to give what?
Inky Pinky Ponky should work.
No. Alright. So difficult.
Shanu, what did you get? Okay. Show me what you got.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So Anaga.
Relax and enjoy. I know Gandu will
Thank
give you
you.
the most
For you.
Ganduest thing. Meal and memories. Okay. And you?
One
Show me
extra.
what's for
No,
you.
that's what
This is just an extra.
What is written on that? Kitchen brings
brings
family
family
together. Sure. Thank you, Krishna.
Okay, I'll start.
Ooh.
Go.
That is why he asked you
Oh.
like superheroes. When did he ask?
I asked her before this.
I don't
Show me. Damn.
Spider-Man.
I saw this also on this thing. I knew one of them is gonna buy this.
Favorite.
What?
I don't know I know his favorite. I know her favorite. I knew her favorite.
Her favorite Abhishek Sharma.
Okay.
Either that or TK
Captain
Ramesh.
or which one? Or Thor. You can choose anything.
Options though.
No, because they
Who
were
was a
twins.
girl? Oh, that was a girl. I thought it was a girl.
Thor, this is Captain America, this is Batman.
Okay, I'll take Batman.
Or you can take Iron
Is
Man.
that Iron Man? Of course, I'll take Iron Man because I love him. Starks. You got? Like he gave,
Yeah,
no?
everyone got.
Okay.
Everyone got
Thank
two?
you. Yes.
I got stamps.
Okay. Wow, fancy. Oh my god.
Damn.
Bro, you guys is... I got the voice.
No, you didn't. Flower for a flower.
Show yours.
Wait, I need to decide.
Oh, you didn't decide.
Even these are more than 6. Everyone got more than 6 cause
And a star
Yeah.
for a star.
show.
Variety dialogue. Telling. The music for the music.
And music for a singer.
देखो यहाँ पे देखो.
So cute. So nice. Wow. Wait. Oh my god, बचपन की याद है.
I swear.
Number the same this time.
और में जोड़.
Our gifts what
Be happy, Krishna.
देखो.
And
Keep smiling Ishan.
Oh, me also smiling.
Thank you, Anuti.
Thank you.
I haven't still decided what to give to whom.
That no one decided.
These are candles.
Wow. Brother.
So
Okay.
these are like
Okay,
the
this is way
scented
too
candles.
much.
Careful, careful.
Wait, careful.
Put everything on my lap for now. Okay, there's a very dirty cinnamon smell which I'm going to keep to myself. So,
Oh, that means you smell them already?
I'll tell you, there's vanilla, lemongrass, strawberry, lavender and rose. Do you guys like anything?
I mean,
You give. It's your gift.
Okay
what
then.
the color?
Yeah, you give anything.
It is you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all up
Okay.
to you.
It's your gift. You should give.
Maybe, I don't know if you like it, but strawberry for Anuti?
Yeah, I do
For
like
real?
it. I
Okay.
love fruits.
Okay, so strawberry for Anu, Arikendo and
Ready?
lavender. Ariki lavender.
It smells so
And then,
tasty.
thank you.
Eat it.
Vanilla for Vagisha. Then rose for you. Lemongrass for Shanu.
Thank you.
And cinnamon obviously for Kichu. So.
You.
Oh, yeah, then I was going to buy this.
I see when I was going to buy
I
that.
was just going to buy this and I was like,
Like,
you know what, I'm not
you know,
buying
it's-
it. What if someone else will buy it?
You can put it on your finger. So yeah, this one, it reminds me of her, Vagisha. So
Because it's an elephant.
It's pink and it's cute, that's why.
this is for Kichupenna.
Thank you. I'll just put on my
This
finger.
is for Vyavaraju.
Show on camera. Show on camera.
This is a cute hippo. Now I'll say.
That was perfect. That was just so perfect.
Dekha?
And hippo. He was saying I got elephant. Okay, that's not even elephant. And this is for a stylish guy, Ishan.
Shalos.
सारे बाल उड़ा दी.
Yeah.
So cute. Thank you, Arya.
I think we should take a picture like this, like all fingers.
Oh, this is
Strong girly.
Yeah.
This smells.
I felt like eating her vanilla.
It's really nice.
Oh, this is like
I want to eat this.
It's so
Vanilla, no? I
Yeah,
felt like
it's-
eating
it's-
vanilla.
it's like that boomer, you know, no? Center fresh.
Anyway, I felt that like some
Strawberry flavor
cheesecake or
center
something. I just felt like eating it.
It does feel like cheesecake.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
So these are the gifts, guys, from
My
Top View.
hairstyle. Yes.
One. This is Anu's gifts, and this is Shanu's gifts. This is Kichu's, Krishna's, Vagisha's, and Arya's. Oh shit! Yeah, mine also. This also there. Sorry. The entire thing. So, yep. I hope all of you are seen. Yeah. Can you guess? Are you all seen? Yeah. Okay. So that's the end of our last day.
Yeah.
How is it, guys?
Very fun.
We'll
Nice. I guess
Bye.
relieved exams are over.
Yeah, it's over.
Little nostalgic, exactly.
Yeah.
You'll get the emotion hit tomorrow.
Slowly.
Slowly.
When we don't have to come to college.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now we're still in college. We feel prepared. Once we leave.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, my neck. I'm literally like this when I'm recording. Upper Stadium. Bye bye. Signing off from
Bye,
all of
guys.
us. Bye.
Oh, not bye, guys. Bye, Cam. Not bye.
Bye.
मिलते रहना.
Don't cry.
Take care. Bye bye.
रोना नहीं है.
Okay, so don't cry. You know what? It's legit raining.
You know what you call it? The God crying for us.
It's raining. Could the last day end more better than this? I don't think so. We're just sitting here and feeling it all. That was actually what she said.
And now there is 3 plus.